Outside the major cities, most people in Malawi struggle for electricity. State-owned supplier Eskom is meeting little more than a quarter of the current demand, and even that output is fragile. One big problem is the source of Malawi's power. Over 95% of Malawi's electricity is generated from hydro, with the Shire River as the main source of hydroelectricity. The answer, according to the government, is liberalization.
The government now has decided to diversify from hydro to other sources of energy using other technologies. We're now looking at coal, that I've already explained. We're also looking at solar. You see if other companies can come and exploit solar. We're also looking at a wide range of other technologies that are available out there to make sure that we generate